Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Grow with Sachin Pal. I'm Sachin Pal and I hope you all are doing well and you are able to do great things in your life. So as you are well known, like I have taken a 100-day challenge for myself. In that particular challenge I'm going to make or create a video blog in spoken English till 100 days. And today is the 75th day of that particular challenge and I'm continuous on it. Today I came here to create that particular blog. I came here in the place or field side of my village. There are so many trees are there, and there are some crops are also growing. Behind me you are able to not see the plants because in this side there are not that much kind of plants are there, and in this field the farmers are growing as god. And today I want to narrate a story for you all, because if I'm going to narrate a story, so I need to use so many words and phrases on that, and also on that story you are able to find meaning. So let's start. So once upon a time there was a village. There a man was living. His name is Amir, and he have a great ambition in their life, but he is lazy. So that's why he's just talking about his dreams. Like one day I'm going to become a great farmer in this village, and people are coming to me for taking my advices. But he's only dreaming. He's not taking any action in order to add in this village. If he is able to see the people who are going towards fields and they are working hard on their field, so he just sleeping or talking about his dream, and sitting under the shade of some trees, but he is not want to do something. That's why his fields become dry sand only. There is no plants is there. But so one day his old relative came to meet with Amir. So he saw the whole story, like he's not doing anything, he's just sleeping or talking about his dream, and he's saying like if you need to do something, then he's saying like I will start doing it by tomorrow. He's only talking about like I'm going to do these kind of things from tomorrow, but he don't want to do anything. He's not taking any action, and he was just following his daily routine of laziness. So his relative said with him, Amir, you why you are not working on your field? You need to feed some seeds, and then you need to give them water according to time, and you need to take care of them, so they are going to grow. So Amir said, as usually, I'm going to start it by tomorrow. But he's not taken any action on tomorrow also. He lived his day or spent his day as usual. So his relative realized that I need to give him a lesson so that he is able to improve his life. So he said with Amir like I have two bags, and in each bag I'm having one kind of seeds. One is ambition. So if you are going to feed that particular seed in the soil, so you need to give it take care, like you need to give water, and you need to open the sands, and also you need to take care of that particular seeds, so you it is going to grow. And another is laziness. So if you are not going to take care of it, it is going to grow without any efforts. I mean, is not able to get the message behind these things. and he think like I need to give a try. I'm going to feed both the seed in the soil, and let's see what is going to be happen. So in another day he go in his field and he feed the all seeds in the soil, and he forgot about that after that. And after a long time when he visit to his fields, then he is able to see the crop of laziness is growing in a well manner. It is well grown, and the feed of ambition is not able to grow because it take daily care, some watering, so and care also. So that relative also came with Amir, and he said, are you able to get what I want to say? So he make known about the all incident to the Amir, like if you are going to do these kind of things, you are able to grow. And if you are just going to feed in the soil to the laziness, so it is going to grow by itself. No need to give any efforts. So he realized that message, and he started taking care of the ambition seed on the regular basis or daily basis. And when the crop is wants some water, then he pour the water on the field. And to notice after some time he is able to notice like laziness crop is growing, but ambition crop is also growing in a good manner. After that he feeds so many seeds in his field, and he started working hard on the field. So the message of this story is for you all also, like if you are not going to do anything, then the crop of laziness is going to grow by its own. But if you are having some ambition in your life, then you need to take some action on daily basis to make them true. So that's it for today, and I hope you all are able to get this storytelling, or the proof of the journey is helpful for you also. So if you're feeling likewise, then please hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also share with someone who need these kind of content. That's it for today. Thank you so much for being with me on this journey, and you are able to notice some background voice of peacock. I am able to enjoy in the nature. Goodbye. Take care. Have a great day ahead.